Well, good Saturday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Saturday and a good start to the weekend. I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, it's early, but Lord, it is heating up already. We're in the 90s probably. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today, Lord of mercy, one of my water catchment systems went down, and I have something else that I want us to show you. Give me a second, that's what we finna do. Well, here is my 55-gallon drum water catchment system. The structure that I have it sitting on actually gave way. Let's see, maybe y'all could see. It appears that the 2x6 bracings that actually hold these 2x4s, the back one gave way. It just split. That's first for me. I've never seen that before, but gave way. All of this wood on this system is pressure treated, and everything else looks good except for that back bracing. The only problem that I'm facing is this system is full. So we're talking about over 1,800 pounds and a whole bunch of water still in these 55-gallon drums. So I have a couple of options. The first option is just to drain the water off and replace that back bracing, that 2x6 on the back, get it back up and running, or leave it in place and try to use all of the water out of it that I can, because this system is gravity fed. So I can still get water out the system. So this was unbelievable when I saw it. I was like, oh gracious almighty. So I'll probably be working on this system this weekend, trying to get as much water out of it as I can. I have plenty of stuff that I can water with this rainwater that I've harvested. So we'll see what happens. I may end up having to adjust fire on this system and maybe work on the bracing a little bit more. But this system has to be about 11 years old, and this is the first issue that I've had with it, so I guess that's a good thing. Rob the Sapper Gardener, look at there. I wanted to mention this a few videos back, but with everything going on, I forgot. But Rob sent me some comfrey cuttings, and I don't know what it is with old Dapper Dan and comfrey, but let me show you this. This comfrey's been in the ground at least 2 weeks now, and I haven't really seen anything happening with it. And all this is just a little small pot, some of my potting mixture that I use, and here is a piece of the comfrey. But the thing about it is, it's soft and squishy, like it's waterlogged. Now, again, I don't know much about comfrey, but this is how I planted it. I got the cutting, and all I did was placed it sideways in the soil and just covered it up. That's all I did. Watered these 4 comfrey cuttings, I think maybe once or twice, just to make sure that the soil doesn't dry out, but it's not waterlogged and it's not sitting in water. So, I don't know. I guess I could get me a new title. Old Dan, the killer of comfrey. So, Rob or anybody else that grows a lot of comfrey, if y'all have any tips, tricks, suggestions on what I could be doing wrong, or maybe something I could do differently, because I sure enough want to get some comfrey growing over here at my home in the sticks. And this is the second time the Sapper Gardener has sent me some comfrey, and old Dan the comfrey killer has killed it again. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Saturday, and hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like killing comfrey. That being said, Dan Referee showing enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.